today we're changing battery on a 126 Mercedes. This is a 420 SEL, correct?
1987.
1987, baby, 420 SEL. Pristine engine bay, suck a butt. All right, so we're gonna be changing the battery on this. It's a little bit different than your normal car, like pickup truck standard battery. There's a big reservoir in the way. We're gonna show you how to get that out of the way. And we take a clip out, that black clip, correct?
Yep. We're gonna start off by pulling this clip off. Trying to.
There you go.
There we go.
Connector out. And then what else is there
And
to
I'm gonna
disconnect?
take this one out, which, if I remember right, that one just slides right off.
Just show me that one. That one.
It just slides right down into there.
Okay, that pulls out.
Yep.
Use a 10mm and disconnect the battery terminals.
Yeah.
Look at that. This little Amazon toolkit has everything you need to change your Mercedes battery.
Yeah,
I'm gonna link that thing down below.
Yeah,
It's only like $60. There you go.
So once this is disconnected,
And
you can essentially slide this right up.
reservoir comes out after you've got the battery terminals disconnected.
Yeah,
And that gives you the room.
it gives you a little bit of room. You just gotta kind of slide it off to the side.
And we got two 10mm nuts down there. We got one right there and one right there. We're going to take those out. 10mm nuts are out, and then now we can, depending on your battery, if you bought the good battery that has the handle, the little flip-up handle, then you can just flip that handle up and yank her out. Yank. Pro Power Ultra. And then to put it back in is the exact reverse of that. How hard was that whole process?
Let it take us 3 minutes.
2.5? Who knows?
Right
I'll look
on.
at the timestamp on the video, but pretty quick. Tell them to like and comment and subscribe, and tell them that you know how to do the YouTube outro stuff.
What's YouTube?
So you're going to want to say, hey guys, if you liked the video, if it was helpful, hit the like button.
Okay.
Say that.
All right. All right. Are we recording?
Yeah, it's
All right.
recording.
Hey guys, if you like this video, hit subscribe.
No.
Hit like.
If the video is helpful for you, hit the
Oh,
like
if the
button.
video is helpful for you,
Hit the like button.
hit the like button.
If you have any questions,
If you have any questions, hit the comment section.
Yep. And then if
Okay.
you want to subscribe to the channel, you can.
If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can.
No pressure though, right?
There's no pressure.
How can we convey that there's no pressure?
Do it right now.